This is probably the easiest way to actually get traffic. When you're talking about creating content in the form of doing launch jacking being riding the wave or the buzz of a product that's being launched. And typically, the way most people are going to tell you how to do this is to check out a page like this right here called Munch Eye. Matter of fact, this is the de facto page to check out launches in the internet marketing space. This page and what people are going to tell you to do in the majority of the step-by-step videos you're going to watch on the internet is to come where it says all launches, and you can see this is June 27th right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 launches today on June 27th, 2022. 8 launches that people are going to tell you to go and to apply for affiliate links to all those products, get review access to all those products, create bonus stacks and stacks of bonuses to all those products, do a YouTube video, use the keyword product name review plus bonus. Don't miss out on my bonus. Again, emphasize bonus, 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 whether you have bonuses or not, then tell you to go grab some PLR. Of course, that's private label rights content where you can go and you can purchase it and then you can give it away as your own content. That is launch jacking step by step, in a nutshell, the way that most people are going to tell you to do it. Now, I'm not going to tell you that that doesn't work, because there are a lot of people that find success. A lot of people will find success over at Warrior Plus. Now, I utilize launch jacking, meaning I am focused on the keyword of product or the product name and the keyword review. Because simply put, or simply stated, that product name plus the keyword name review, so product name plus review, is what people are searching for when that product is launching, when there's tons of buzz around that product. When someone, as an affiliate like you are, has started to promote a product and they send it out to their email list, or they've started to post about it on their Facebook group, on their Facebook profile, or TikTok, or LinkedIn, or Instagram, doesn't matter. Wherever there's buzz around this product name, those products that are over on Munch Eye, and it gets out that they are under a one-time price or a great price during the launch, a low price that you can only access or get during the launch, there's going to be tons of buzz. That is what launch jacking is. The product is under launch. It is at a special price. You are creating content in the form of a YouTube review video and or a blog post, because people are going to Google and they're searching for product review because they've heard of the buzz. They are surrounded by the buzz of this product, and a lot of them have developed this idea based upon the fact that they've been buying these types of products for a while in the internet marketing, make money online space, where launch jacking is prevalent, or where the majority of people teach you how to do launch jacking are utilizing these basically launches every day. Again, over at Munch Eye, there are 8 launches today. Let's just take a look at that again. 8 launches. Then you have June 28th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more, June 29th. 5 or 6 more, June 30th. All the way into July, where these launches just keep coming fast and furious on marketplaces like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank. These are the biggies. These are the ones where here at Munch Eye, you're going to find out the details, and you simply are going to utilize the details on Munch Eye. So step by step is to go to muncheye.com, click on the offering, find out how or what marketplace that product is being offered on, then contact the vendor for review access, and then apply for your affiliate link. Really, you're doing those at the same time. That's launch jacking in a nutshell. But let's take a look at a different way, or a different concept of launch jacking. As you can see here, this is my paid Kickstart account. Now, you can see here what happens is I have traffic, and this is the key to launch jacking. You're looking to get traffic, you're looking to earn commissions. So you can see that there is a 0 here, then it sort of peaks up, but you have these big peaks here, and then it goes back down and it goes back down to 0. That is launch jacking. Launch jacking is generating traffic. In a nutshell, you get results like this from doing launch jacking because you're riding the wave of the launch. But there is another way where you can actually honestly, ethically build a business around the idea of launch jacking. And that's by creating a channel that is dedicated to giving people real information or reviewing products and not just blindly pasting your affiliate link in and stacking a bunch of bonuses that you've been giving away and you've been adding to, creating this ridiculous amount of real value or dollar value where you're up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $100,000 in value of bonuses, and then getting someone, most likely someone that is gullible or still in the stage of being a newbie in the world of making money online, and you convince them that your bonuses, because they're worth so much money because of the value you've placed on them, is the reason that they should buy by clicking your link in the description. That's launch jacking in a nutshell. Launch jacking is about riding the wave, the buzz of the launch, the fact that this product is being promoted by tons and tons of affiliates. People have been notified of this launch, but they want to do a little more research. The smart ones are doing more research and they're looking for your real review of the product, where you actually get review access or you purchase the product and you see if the product works. And you also talk about the strategy, and you also talk about the vendor and the support that they have for their products in the past. And you recommend as an affiliate whether or not they should buy that product. Then, of course, you can add a relevant bonus. If the bonus is relevant, you should add a bonus. Let's say there's a training product and you are launch jacking. You found out that the launch is coming up in 6 days, a week, 2 weeks, a month even, and you're going to prepare a bonus. You get access to the product is complete well ahead of time, and you go through the product completely. This is what you should do as an affiliate: review the product, go through it, and then think to yourself, yes or no, is this a good product? I'm going to create a video, a blog post, and I'm going to jack this launch. I'm going to jack the traffic from this launch to let people know that I have a better bonus than everyone else. My bonus is going to fill a gap. It is going to plug a hole that's in this training, even though this training is really good. Or I'm going to offer you access to a free tool that I have that will assist you in this strategy that you're going to learn in the training. Is the strategy in the training solid? Does it make sense? Have I used it myself to make money? Do you know of other people that have used it to make money? And is it a proven strategy? Does the strategy just overall make sense? This is the type of stuff that you're going to provide as a bonus. It's also the type of thing that you're going to provide to your audience in real, honest detail of whether or not the product, the strategy, and the vendor works. That is the correct way, in my opinion, to do launch jacking. That is the way I use launch jacking to make money here on YouTube. You've seen the products that I've reviewed. You also know about my other channel, which is Real Reviews, which there's a link in the description to that channel where I talk about a lot of these products on Muncheye. And basically, I give you a real review. I either get review access and I show you inside of the product and show you the training inside the product and talk about the vendor support and the vendor, how often they launch a product, and basically, are they just in the business of launching products or are they in the business of helping you succeed online? That's sort of the mentality. That's the structure that I use. And of course, I learned that from Taking Action Online, or the creator of Taking Action Online, Philip Barman, and his process, and developed my own process based upon his training about what ethical launch jacking is. There's a link in the description about how you can actually use launch jacking to build a real business and to get thousands and thousands of free visitors, thousands of free leads, thousands of real people that will join you and actually give you credit or support you in the fact that you are doing a real review during the launch, aka jacking the traffic from the launch, riding the wave, riding the buzz of that launch. It is really quite simple. It's very simple to do, and it actually becomes easy once you put the process in place and you put the parts and you understand exactly what, why, where, how, and when you're reviewing the product, the things that you're going to say, the things that you're looking at to actually give an honest review. This is what launch jacking should be. This is what launch jacking can be if you do it correctly. And it can easily make you money, and it can easily generate thousands of visitors and leads, which you can put on an email list and follow up with more sound advice for them around the products that you are reviewing on a daily basis. Now, understand that this is a business of creating content, content in the form of reviews, and looking ahead using that calendar you saw over at Munch Eye. You're going to walk through and you're going to look at what is available over on Munch Eye, and you're simply going to make a review of the product, but it's going to be a real review, and you're going to show people that you are someone, a resource that they can come to and they can look to. And if they need a product, you're going to provide a bonus that actually gives them something in exchange for utilizing your affiliate link, in exchange for real value of your real review. Again, there is money to be made in it. You can see here's my Kickstart. Here is my Warrior Plus account. A lot of that comes from the art of launch jacking, or understanding the art of launch jacking and using it as a part of my overall strategy for getting traffic to my reviews of products, to my content, my helpful content that talks about the strategies that those products use and how to actually use those products. That's launch jacking in a nutshell. There's a link in the description to get real training so you can figure out exactly how to do launch jacking. Again, what I'll say, in my opinion, is the right way, the way I do launch jacking. Also, check out my launch jacking channel. I no longer do those type of product reviews here on 30 Minute Marketing. I do launch jacking over on a very specific channel called Real Reviews, with a capital Z for reviews. A little tongue in cheek there, sort of kind of poking a little fun at the majority of these products that come out in the marketplace, but that is the joy. That is part of what makes this so fun, and utilizing something like launch jacking to actually get traffic, to build a real audience of real people that you can actually help by giving them a real review when you do launch jacking. All right, links in the description. Check those out for the information you need. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.